Hey y'all, IrixGuy here, and I want to share a travel tip with everyone. Now today I'm in, and something I always recommend, and if you look at me, you probably don't really notice anything. Whenever you're traveling, and it's anywhere for that matter, you always want to make sure if you've got stuff in your pockets that you don't keep it in there, especially back pockets, because they're often a target. But what I like to do is wear this, and it may look a little bit funny, but basically what you get a couple zippered areas. You can put your credit cards, your valuables in here. What I do, I just put my billfold directly in there. And this features something called RFID protection. And basically what that means is that a lot of more high-tech criminals now, they will have certain devices, and they'll try to get close to you and steal your credit card information. But with this RFID blocker, it better prevents the possibility of having that high-tech identity theft. So just another cool travel tip from IrixGuy's Adventure Channel. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Check out all my videos. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain IrixGuy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.